Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about what OTC stocks are. OTC stocks, it's abbreviated for over-the-counter stocks. So the reason they're called over-the-counter stocks is because these type of stocks, OTC stocks, don't belong to any exchanges. Exchanges are the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, those places, or in a sense networks where you can trade different stocks, right? So you have certain stocks on the NASDAQ, you have certain stocks on the New York Stock Exchange. So that's how you can go about trading certain stocks. And the thing about it is not all stocks can get on those type of exchanges. You kind of have to meet certain requirements to get on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ or other exchanges. Those are what OTC stocks are. They're stocks that aren't listed on any other exchanges, and so they're just over the counter. They're just basically free roaming, right? So you'll notice that if you do use certain brokerages, your trading platform might be limited to only NASDAQ stocks or New York Stock Exchange stocks. They may not allow people to trade over-the-counter stocks. And what I'll say is, if you do your research on OTC stocks, you'll notice a common similarity between all of these OTC stocks. And that is, they tend to be pump and dump stocks. But those are what OTC stocks are. It's abbreviated for over-the-counter stocks.